There is a new standard of excellence when repairing automotive plastics. Bumper covers, grills, side view mirrors, headlamp assemblies with broken tabs, and more. YouTube has a lot of videos on how to repair these polyplastics. These videos use Dremel tools, fiberglass patches, or even zip ties. For years, repair professionals and car enthusiasts worked to develop creative ways of putting Band-Aids on torn bumper covers, grills, tabs, and plastic trim pieces because car plastics could not be glued. Now, with the bonding poly process, patent pending, you can do better than gluing these plastics. You can now bond these plastics. Bonds are stronger and more durable than glue joints. The bonding poly process is easy. You start by priming both sides of the break or tear with the Poly Prep, an adhesion promoter for polyplastics. Let the primer dry. Spray the activator accelerator on one edge or surface, just one of the poly edges, not both. Use of the activator accelerator is a crucial step in creating the chemical reaction that produces a bond. Another critical step, the application of heat to the broken pieces. Heat gives the energy necessary to form the bond. Low energy equals no bond. Remember, heat the surfaces until they are warm to the touch. Warm, not hot. Apply one of our SI structural adhesives to the edge opposite from where you sprayed the activator accelerator. Align the pieces and press firmly for 10 to 20 seconds. Heat the seam for 10 to 20 seconds. The heat is adding more energy to the bond. With the bonding poly process, your result is always a bond that will not fail. Although it takes up to 7 days for the bond to fully cure, you can put any of these parts back into use immediately. When the broken piece of plastic is thin and failure of the repair is not an option, a patch is needed. What do we recommend for a patch? Sports tape. It is strong, flexible, porous, and the fact that there is adhesive on one side can be an enormous help. Applying the patch is easy. Before starting, cut the patch to fit. Saturate the area where you are going to put the patch with the Poly Prep. Let the Poly Prep dry. Use a hairdryer or a heat gun on that same area until the area is warm to the touch. Apply a structural adhesive, usually SI Blue, to the area where the patch is to be applied. Apply the patch, then flatten the patch. Apply SI Blue to the patch, making sure that the edges are well covered. Spread the SI Blue as thin as possible. Run a bead of SI Blue around the entire edge of the patch and spray with the activator accelerator. Patches add critical surface area to a repair and can add as much as 25% in tensile and shear strength. If you put a patch completely around a repair, the patch serves as a cast, adding even more strength. That was then. This is now. Please check out our 1-2 fixed video library on how to repair your car part or any other broken item in the home, shop, factory, or office. If you have any questions on your repair, please call 877-565-7225.